baby?
My brother is on the top. Look it.
Where's your brother? Oh, he's on the rooftop. How did he fly there? Come down, Chicky.
Come down. Come down. Mommy is telling to you, come down.
Come on, come on.
I'm so scared to come down, sister.
It's okay, you can fly and come down. Come fast, otherwise you'll fall down.
But I'm scared from looking down.
Okay, someone. Oh, someone help my son. Call Dr. Barbie, emergency, emergency. Only she can bring him down.
Oh dear, it's time for go.
Oh, there comes the ambulance. And where's Dr. Barbie?
Here I am. And don't worry, brother Chicky, I will save you.
There, I have rescued your son. Here, mother hen, take care of your son. Bye-bye, Chicky. Go to your mom. Now, thank you, Dr. Barbie, for saving my son. Come on, chickies. Let's go and let's swim for a while. Okay, mommy. Here we come. Let's go. Take a bath in the pool. Then we need to go home. It's almost sunset. Come on, come on. Okay, Mama. Here we go. Come on, Sissy. Let's go. See you later. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye.
See you another video. Take care.